Can I get a manual transfer switch with integrated quick connects or a standalone quick connect panel in a 4x enclosure? No, both UL and NAMA require that an enclosure maintains its rating when cables are either connected or disconnected from the unit. Manual transfer switches with quick connect and quick connect panels require openings for cabling egress. As a result of 4x enclosure, which normally consists of a fully sealed and welded enclosure that can protect its equipment against corrosion, and ingress of water cannot be used for this application.